How to connect Marble Rivals to Twitch account to claim Twitch drops. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through connecting your Marble Rivals account to your Twitch account so you can claim Twitch drops for Marble Rivals. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to www.marblerivals.com. And after that, if you are not logged in, automatically simply click on login at the top of the page and select the gaming service that you want to use to log in to your Marble Rivals website. And once you have selected that, simply log in through that service. And once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the Marble Rivals homepage where you will see your account name displayed at the top of the screen. And now click the drop down arrow next to your account name and then select My Account from the menu. And this will take you to your Marble Rivals account page. And now on the left hand side of the screen, simply click Connection and the available connection options will appear on the right side. Now locate the Twitch in the list and simply click Connect next to it. And a window will pop up asking for permission to give Marble Rivals access to your Twitch account. Simply click Authorized and the window will close and a confirmation message will appear, letting you know that your Twitch account has been successfully connected to your Marble Rivals account. Just click Confirm and you are now set up to claim Twitch drops for Marble Rivals. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.